Hi everyone, let us learn the graphical representation of linear equation in two variables. Graphical representation of a linear equation shows a straight line. When we consider a pair of linear equations, it may intersect at a point, or they coincident, or they are parallel to each other. So let us learn in detail. So the first case, the two lines may be intersecting lines, which means the two lines are intersecting at a point. So it has one solution, one common solution. We know that a pair of linear equation in two variables which has solution is called consistent. So intersecting lines are consistent. Next, let us discuss about coincident lines. In this case, the two lines are exactly one on the other. So each and every point is common solution. So we can find out many solutions. So this also comes under consistent. Third category is the two lines may be parallel lines, which means the two lines are parallel to each other. Distance between the two lines is equal. So there is no common solution. So it comes under inconsistent. So the three lines may intersect at a point, they are coincident, or they are parallel to each other. Let us learn the graphical representation. Check whether the pair of equations is consistent. If so, solve them graphically. So the first equation is x plus y equal to 3. So let us have y in left side. So y is equal to 3 minus x. So let us find at least three solutions. When x is equal to 0, y takes the value 3. When x is equal to 1, y takes the value 3 minus 1 is 2. When x is equal to 2, y is 3 minus 2 is 1. So we found three solutions. 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. These are the 3 points. We are going to plot it on a graph. Similarly, we will find three solutions for the second equation also. The second equation is 3x minus 2y equal to 4. Y goes other side. So 3x minus 4 equal to 2y. So 3x minus 4 by 2 is equal to y. Let us keep y alone in one side. Find out three solutions now. When x takes the value 0, y is equivalent to 0 minus 4 by 2 is minus 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 2. When x is 1, 3 minus 4 by 2 is minus 1 by 2, which is minus 0.5. When x is equal to 2, 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4 by 2 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. The 3 points are 0, minus 2, 1, minus 0.5 and 2, 1. Draw x-axis and y-axis. Then plot the first 3 points on a graph. So x plus y equal to 3. We found 3 solutions. Plot it on a graph. Similarly, for the second equation 3x minus 2y equal to 4. We found 3 solutions. Plot those points to 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. These are the 3 points for equation 1. And for equation 2, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 0.5, 2, 1. These are the 3 solutions we found. So the equation 1 and 2 are intersecting at a common point, which is 2, 1. So the two lines are intersecting at 2, 1. It is a common solution. So x takes the value 2 and y takes the value 1. Hope you understand the graphical representation of linear equation in two variable. Thank you.